Hey guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your MoneyGram transaction history. So first of all, what you have to do is open the MoneyGram application on your phone. So once the application has been opened, you have to sign in with your account. There are different methods to track your transaction history. So if you have sent your money through the application, then you can easily be able to track your transaction history by simply clicking on your profile icon on the top left corner, and then you will be able to see track transfers. You have to enter your information below to track the status of a recent transaction. The MoneyGram gives you a reference or authorization number which you have to input in this section, and then for security purpose you have to input your last name. You don't have to input your first name, so only input your last name, and then you have to mention that is the transaction was sending or receiving money, and simply click on track button, and if the information matches correctly, then you'll be easily able to see the transaction history. But if you do not want to enter all of these information, if you want a quickly glance towards your recent transaction history, all you can do is go to the home page of the application, and in the recent activity you will be able to see the transaction history or the recent activity of MoneyGram. As I haven't sent or received money, so it is saying me that there is no activity. Do you want to send money to a family or friend now? So if you have sent or received money, you will see that in the recent activity tab. That's basically how you can see transaction history in MoneyGram. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.